My name is Kathleen Bassett, and here's my Project 3 presentation. So this is my first t-shirt. All of my t-shirts are equestrian themed, made for riders that ride horses in any discipline of riding. So for the first t-shirt, I decided to change it up a little bit from my first concept, and it just has a horseshoe in the top right corner, and the back is blank. I wanted this to be kind of a simple t-shirt that you could go wear riding, no matter who you are, or you could wear it to the grocery store, all different occasions. And my target audience would be anyone that likes horses, rides horses, has horses. For all of my t-shirts, the target audience is the same. This is my second t-shirt. It has a heart with a horse head in the top right corner. Again, I want to keep this simple and really cater to like all ages. For all my designs, I really wanted them to be something, a kid could wear or an adult could wear. For my third design, I really liked this design of having like a heart rate but with a horse head in it. I just think it's like, again, simple, but it takes up a little more of the shirt, and the back again is blank. I'm not one to like to wear t-shirts with graphics on the back, so I decided to have that for my designs. Just have a blank back because I wouldn't wear a t-shirt like that, and all of these designs I designed them as if I was the consumer and what I would like. And lastly, we just have a simple horse icon on a black t-shirt, and I just really like this design. I thought it was simple. Again, like men, women, all ages could wear this t-shirt. Just anyone that loves horses, and this one's a little more straightforward of like what it represents and stuff. It's just a horse, which I wanted to incorporate one of those into my design, one of my t-shirt designs as well, just kind of a straightforward design. Again, this is Kathleen Bassett. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.